What's up, guys? This is Theo here, and welcome to CodeCademy Introduction to JavaScript, Part 17. So, let's begin. Go ahead and log in here, and log in with my Google account. And cool. So this is. Let's go to JavaScript, and we're gonna go down to Objects 2. Introduction to Objects 2 Part 2. Remember I said it'd start off with Lesson 16. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's titled, it's all in the genes. Let's reset this code. So create a class named animal, function, animal, two properties, name and num legs. Clear that out real quick. And so we're going to assign these values. This dot name equals name, and this dot num legs equals num legs. So they'll be set. And let's close that off and change the prototype of the animal to, we're going to add a sayName function. Animal.prototype.sayName is a function. And what we want to do here is console.log hi, my name is plus name, and let me try it out. We're going to test it. Looks like your animal prototype does not say how my name is. Oh, sorry. How my name is name. My name is undefined. Function name. Hi, my name is undefined. Penguin.sayName. Function. Oh, my bad. So it's because it's on the prototype, we don't need to do that. We can do hi, my name is this dot name. There we go. Sorry about that. Create a brand new penguin class constructor starting in line 11. So say function penguin, and let's look at what it needs. Name and num legs. So let's say this dot name equals name. This dot num legs equals num legs. Get rid of the space right there. And it will also have a sayName. So I'm just gonna change this around to penguin. Last two lines, test your, we're not done with animals, so we included the animal constructor in the same two methods. Last two lines, test your penguin code. So say var penguin equals, oh no, never mind. Looks like it's already there. Make sure you properly define the penguin.prototype.sayName method. Prints the same thing as, I guess we could just do this, assign it to animal.prototype.sayName. And there's a problem with your syntax, unexpected token. Penguin is not defined. Oh, my bad. Penguin. There we go. Cool. Let's reset this code. Create a new penguin class. Be more unique than the generic animal one, because all penguins have two legs. Only take name and set legs to 2. So this is going to be pretty similar. Change this to penguin, and it's only going to take name. We say this dot num legs set to 2. Prototype to new instance of animal by adding this line. Okay, so penguin dot prototype equals a new animal, and cool. Let's reset this. Create a penguin object with the variable name penguin, any name you'd like. Say var Theo equals a new penguin Theo, and we'll call Theo.sayName. Let's run that. Make sure to create a new penguin instance called penguin. Sorry. Penguin. Let's run that. Cool. Let's reset this. Create an emperor class that takes a single name parameter. Function emperor. It's going to take in a name. And what do we want to do to it? this dot name equals name. All right, and make emperor inherit from penguin. So say emperor dot dot prototype equals a new what is it inheriting from? New penguin. Okay, and create an emperor object that is an instance of the emperor class. So we'll say var emperor equals a new emperor, pass it theo, and print the number of legs, console.log emperor dot num legs. So we should see a 2. Sure to log the number of legs, emperor. Okay, there we go, we get 2. Let's move on, let's reset this code. Without modifying anything other than lines 22 to 24. Print waddle waddle. Let's see. How are we gonna get waddle waddle? We can print my emperor dot saying, and then we want to print 2, so we can do my emperor dot num legs, and we can print my emperor dot is alive. That should give us everything we want. You didn't print waddle waddle. My spelling sucks, I guess. There you go. Let's reset this code. Declare a third variable called age, or my age. Just store the age property of the John object. So we'll say John.age. Cool. Let's reset this code and create an object John using the person constructor. Var John equals a new person. Give his name John Smith 23, and print bank balance console.log John.bank balance. What you'll see is this is undefined because this is a private variable inside of this method. These are public, so that's why. Let's move on. Let's see. So modify get balance so that it returns bank balance. So we'll just return bank balance. Then on line 17, create a new variable called bank balance. Var bank balance. Called my balance. My balance, and set it equal to John's bank balance. John dot get balance, because this is going to return his bank balance. Remember, we can't access this because this is private. Line 14 should print undefined. Yeah, okay. There we go. Cool. Bank balance is not defined. Right. That makes sense. My bad. Sorry about that. Bank balance is not defined. Let me submit this again. You should print my balance after setting my balance to John.getBalance. John.getBalance is going to return bank balance. That's not what I just did. Return the variable bank balance and save the result in a variable called balance. 17. Use console.log. Console.log my balance. And then let's submit that code again. There we go. Let's reset this. Create a method called askTeller. Var. So it looks like it's going to be this. This dot askTeller is a function that returns the return balance. So we'll call return balance. So this is a closure. It has access to this function, even though you couldn't call this function normally. Because askTeller returns a method, we need to call it to make it any use. This is what var my balance equals my balance method. So let's get that. askTeller should return the method itself. You should not have parentheses after return balance. Oh, my bad. Return balance. Okay, there we go. Let's reset this. Create a new variable called my balance that calls the askTeller function. Where are we gonna build this out? For my balance is gonna make a call into askTeller with 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's run that. Make sure to set my balance equal to calling John's askTeller method. 1 through 3, 4. My bad, not askTeller. John.askTeller. Cool. Let's reset this. Examine the languages object. Use a for and loop to print out the 3 ways to say hello. So we'll do for var language and languages. And then we want to print it out. So we're going to do console.log. Remember, this is the key and this is the value. Languages key. Or sorry, languages language. And that should give us what we want. So you printed 4 when you shouldn't have. You should check to see if proper validity is a string, so you don't. For and loop to print out the 3 ways. 3 properties are string. Okay, I guess we could always do this to string. Looks like print 4. Okay, so we'll do if language. I'm kind of lazy, so I'm going to do this. It's not equal to, we'll do is not a number, languages of languages, and we'll do, then we will console.log languages of language. And looks like it didn't print hello. I think I did the opposite. There's a problem with your syntax. If is not a number. There we go. Cool. Let's reset our code. Add the say hello method to the dog class. Okay, so we'll do dog.prototype.sayHello is a function, and it's going to console.log hello. This is a plus this dot breed. Submit that. Appears that your say hello method doesn't properly log hello this breed. Hello, this is a gold. What? I don't understand what I did wrong. Hello, this is a breed plus dog. Let me give some space there. There we go. Reset this and let's first see what object.prototype is. Do this in line 2 and save it into prototype. So console.log. I'm kind of confused. Let me see. We should use type of object.prototype. Okay, so we're going to do type of object.prototype, and it's pretty easy to check if has own property comes from object.own property. So we'll say has own object.prototype has own property. Okay. Yeah, that's a little confusing. Let's just use this. Let's run that. Problem with your syntax, missing. Run that. Make sure to set prototype type to the type of object.prototype. Run that one more time. Make sure to set has own property. Yeah, we don't need to log that out. Let's set these two. Cool. Let's reset this code. Modify the student report class so that no grades will be printed to the console in the for in loop. Okay, so if type of my x is not equal to a function, okay, I guess we could just change it to that. Or we get, we'll see, let me think. So modify the student report class so that no grades will be printed to the console in the for in loop. However, get GPA should not equal to only a single thing should be logged in the console. If type of, let me see, property, let me look at what they're doing real quick. I want to get GPA, be the class, should we change it to be private? Should find yourself needing to modify get GPA itself. This to grade 1 will not be available if you did not previously declare it. Changing it to simply grade 1 will work. Let's talk get GPA is function return. Start grade 1. Let me see. Type of is, what do we get then? A single thing should. I'm gonna do this. Console.log something real quick. Console.log my student report dot get GPA. I want to see what type it is real quick. Type of. Let's see what we get here. It's a function. Okay. So we're going to use this. Actually, we're going to do var logged equals my student report dot filter, takes in a function, takes in an item. So we're doing it a little bit different. And what we're going to say here is return type of item is equal to function, and we can log out logged. Let's see what we get. Unexpected token. From with your syntax, unexpected token. My student report dot filter is a function which takes in an item. My student report dot filter function item. Hold on 1 second. Filter. Oh no, it's not an array, so I can't use filter on it. I guess I could do toArray dot filter. Problem with your syntax, maybe not. Let me see. Type of my student report x is not equal to function. It's equal to a function. And a single thing should be logged to the console. For x. What if I invoke it? Single thing, your overall GPA 2.33, your overall GPA. Turn grade 2.33. Why is it? Oh. So grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3 are all private. Var grade 3, var grade 2, var grade 1. GPA returns the average of 3 grades. It should be 2 years return. Change that. Grade 2 and grade 3. There we go. Cool. So it looks like, yeah, that's it for that lesson, guys. That was, I believe, part 17. Let me look on my YouTube real quick. Part 16. Yeah, so we just finished part 17. So this will be the last lesson, building a cash register. The cash register has failed and the boss is not happy. Help save the day and create your own cash register. I'm pretty excited to finish up the lesson, or finish up the introduction to JavaScript course, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the series so far. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and as always, guys, please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.